traveler, you might have visited various parts of the world. However, Mauritius, which lies on the southeast of Africa, is a paradise for travelers as it offers surf, sand, and sun under one roof. Holidaying here can be a memorable experience as there are varieties of things to do in Mauritius. Being the number one spot for honeymooners, the beaches, islands, forts, parks, museums, shopping hubs, and monuments will keep the tourist on their toes. To make it easy for you to choose your picks, here's ready reckoner of best places to visit in Mauritius for people with different interests. Whether you are a shopaholic or a natural lover, this list has all sorts of places for all travelers. So, hi friends, you are watching Explore the World USA. Today I'll show you the best places to visit in Mauritius. So, let's start. The first one is Straw Ox Beaches. For those who love snorkeling and swimming, Trox Oz beaches should be the first place to visit in Mauritius. With gentle sands, shelving calm, shallow and clear water, this is an ideal place for a beach picnic with family and friends. If you love street food, hog at the numerous stalls and cafes along the coast. A variety of cuisines can be tried here. It is one of the top places of interest in Mauritius. During the weekend, it can be fun if sand and sun make a good combo for you. A cool and relaxing one among the coolest places to visit in Mauritius. It has some wonderful lagoons too. The third one is Le Morne. Le Morne is one of the best places to visit in South Mauritius for those who love water. The third one is Le Morne. Le Morne is one of the best places to visit in South Mauritius for those who love water sports. Backed by Le Morne Mountain, it is a perfect place for swimming. However, one must stay aware of the different water sports activities in Mauritius going around. The fourth one is Cameral Colored Earth. If you have been to Mauritius and have not been to this place, have you ever been to Mauritius? If you wish to witness something out of this world, visiting the Colored Earth is an absolute must for you. This stupefying attraction has gained popularity over time because of the fact that it comprises of sand of seven different colors, which is most definitely going to leave you perplexed and shocked. At the same time, the colors are not very prominent because of the tropical climate of Mauritius. But if you mix the colored earth, if you will be able to see a remarkable difference. The predominant colors you notice include that one of the red, black, purple, and cyan. This can even be considered as one of the ideal places to visit in Mauritius for honeymoon. The fifth one the fifth one is La Quit Beach. This is one of the most amazing places to visit at Mauritius. The La Quit beach is situated in Port Louis and does make up for one of the most tourist visit beaches in Mauritius. The best part of this beach is the wide range of stunning views one can enjoy of the Great Bay. It is an amazing spot to just relax and have a wonderful time alone with friends or family. The sixth one is Flick and Flag Beach. This is one of the best places to see in Mauritius, especially if you are a beach baby located in the western region. Flick and Flag Beach is considered to be the longest beach in Mauritius and therefore is one of the most popular beaches here. The coral reef here will simply take your breath away. Do add this place to your itinerary. The last one is Tamarind Waterfall. Tamarind Waterfall are one of the best things to see in Mauritius. The waterfall comprise of a series of seven cataracts located on the Tamarind River and hence are often called the Seven Cascades. This is counted amongst those places to visit in Mauritius that will simply bring you closer to nature. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the video, then please do subscribe, like, comment to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification for new videos.